Lomar dedicated benders are designed using the latest in CAD software, manufacturing technology, and processes to help ensure each bender provides reliability and longevity required in today's global manufacturing environment. Design considerations and features range from manual load and unload to fully automated systems with auto part hoppers, seam orientation systems, pick and place transfer systems, to compression and/or rotary draw bending modules. For more information, please visit www.lomar.com or call us at 517-563-8136.